Hey, I'm Alan Brito from Rhino Architect, and welcome to this tutorial about the nudge. What is the nudge? In case you are new to Rhino, we have a great feature here, which is really simple to use, but it can make a massive difference on anyone working with precise modeling, which is the nudge. If you select something like this solid, just a simple object if you want to practice, and press and hold the Alt key and start using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can transform your object around. And you can use a combination of keys. For instance, I'm using the Alt key now. Press and hold the Alt key and your arrow keys. If you press Alt, Shift, and your arrow keys, you'll be moving a little longer. It will use a higher value for your transformation. And if you use the Control and Alt key and the arrows, you will see that it will use a much smaller distance. Now the question is, how can we change this? Is there a location where we can move or modify this distance used by the nudge? Yes, let's see where it is. You have to open the tools, options, and here under keyboard, let me just find it here. It's actually under a modeling aids. If you expand this option, you will find the nudge, and here are the options. If you just use the nudge key alone, which is the Alt key, it will move. I'm using meters right now, so you can make changes here on the distance. Let's say I need 0.15 meters, 15 centimeters. The Control key with the nudge key, let's move it really with a really small number, like 0.01. And the Shift key, let's make it jump 5 meters. If you hit OK now, let's try that. Alt and the arrow keys, it will move 15. Shift Alt, it will move 5 meters. And if you press Control Alt, it will move just 0.01, which is quite small, a really small amount to move your object around. And a few artists, they don't like using the Alt key. They just want to go straight to the arrow keys. In that case, you can always come here under Options. And in the nudge, you can just change it here to the arrow keys. In that case, if you just press the arrow keys, it will now act as if you want to use the nudge. And this is it, just a quick and simple tutorial about how to control the nudge in Rhino. And as always, if you think this tutorial is useful, it might help others starting with Rhino, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.